Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, we are going to talk about competition level in SEBI legal exam. Based on the previous year data, we'll try to understand how many students apply for this exam, how many appear for phase 1, how many qualify for phase 2, and how many are called for interview. So we'll start with the data of 2020. In 2020 exam, there were 34 vacancies, around 14,000 students. Around 13,950 students applied for this exam. However, the students who appeared for phase 1 were only 7,428. Phase 1 cutoff is already 80. How this is calculated, I have already discussed this in my earlier video. So you can check those videos to understand the exam pattern in detail. The number of candidates who qualified for phase 2 were 1175. Now, phase 1 cutoff is a general cutoff of 80 marks. So all these students who appear for phase 1, 7,428, all of them could appear for phase 2, but only 1175 have gone for phase 2 in 2020. Then the number of candidates qualified for interview were 99, usually in the ratio of 1:3. Coming to 2022, there were 16 vacancies, 10,000 students applied for this exam, 6,829 appeared for phase 1, 1,552 students qualified for phase 2 and 48 were called for interview. Then coming to 2023 recruitment, there were 25 vacancies. There were a huge number of vacancies. 11,053 students applied for this exam. The number of candidates who appeared for phase 1 were 7,643. So you can see the number of candidates appearing for phase 1 is quite in the similar range. Then number of candidates qualified for phase 2 were 1,434. And then number of candidates qualified for interview were 77. Now this year also there were 5 vacancies, but the number of applications were very less. Because the vacancies were less students were motivated to apply for this exam. So here 5,091 students have applied for this exam. Around 3,786 students appeared for phase 1 and 629 students qualified for phase 2. And for interview 16 students are called. So you can see the number of applications, the competition level depends first on the number of vacancies, second on the difficulty level of the exam, and third on the number of students who are prepared for phase 1 and phase 2. Because all the students who appear for phase 1 can go to phase 2. But you can see very few students. Comparatively, around 20 to 25% students appear for phase 2. And for interview, the students are always called in the ratio of 1:3. For every vacancy, 3 students are called for interview. So I hope this gives you a rough idea of the application trend of the competition level of SEBI legal exam. And this is how you can expect the competition in 2025 as well. At iExamB, we offer course for SEBI legal preparation. And we have been guiding students in their success as SEBI legal officers over the past years. On 29th of November, in our course, we are conducting an intro and strategy class where I will be discussing in detail how you can best use this course to prepare for your SEBI Legal 2025 exam. I will also be sharing a preparation strategy with you. I'll be discussing how you should best divide your time, what areas you should focus upon. So if you want to join this class, hurry up and enroll in our course. There is also one doubt related to criminal laws that will come up again and again. Whether a student has to study the new criminal laws or the old criminal laws. For that, Amrita ma'am is conducting a free workshop on 26th of November at 8 p.m. She'll be discussing how to study new criminal laws, expected questions from the new criminal laws. You can register for this workshop by clicking on the link present in the description. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can also write them down in the comment below. You can reach out to us on this number. You can write to us on this email ID. You can get all your queries resolved. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.